The Material World. 28. I had a thought which I wanted to share. When people, irrespective of their faith, go on holiday, they only pack the things they need and maybe a little extra, but they try to avoid overpacking. Even the amount of money they take with them, they limit in respect to their stay abroad. When they arrive, they often stay in a hotel, which usually has the main necessities of living with a few extras. If they believe they will never return to the same destination in the future, they will never buy a house, as they will claim their stay is short and they will not return. They do not get a job during their holiday, claiming that their stay is short, so they do not need to earn more money. They do not get married, nor have children, claiming the holiday destination is not their homeland, where they would get married and have children. Generally speaking, this is the attitude and mindset of holiday makers. It is strange how Muslims truly believe they will depart from this world soon, meaning their stay in the world is temporary, just like being on holiday, and they believe their stay in the hereafter will be permanent, yet they do not adequately prepare for it. If they truly realize the short time they have, similarly to a holiday, they would not dedicate too much effort on their homes, and instead be content with a simple home, just like the traveler who is content with a simple hotel. So in reality, this world is like the holiday destination in the example, yet Muslims do not treat it like one. Instead, they dedicate the majority of their efforts in beautifying their world while neglecting the eternal hereafter. It is sometimes hard to believe some Muslims actually believe in the permanent hereafter when one observes the amount of effort they dedicate to the temporal world. Muslims should therefore strive in preparing for the hereafter by fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience while being pleased with obtaining and utilizing the necessities of this world. It is why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised Muslims to live in this world as travelers in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6416. They should not take this world as a permanent home, and instead treat it like a holiday destination.